Hey folks, welcome to Wolfgang's Outdoors. Today we are going to be taking a look at a few items I add to my kit when I'm taking my dogs on a hike. Let's get right into it. The first item I will add is an additional 16 ounces of water and a container that my dog can drink out of. I will also add a day's worth of dog food as well as some tin foil to make them a cup or a bowl. I would also recommend having a picture of your dogs in case they get loose on the trail. And if your dogs are trained for it, I would recommend a dog whistle and a clicker. In addition to the first aid items I'm going to have on me, I'm also going to add some antihistamines to my kit, something like Benadryl. The reason I add this is because one of my dogs likes to play with wasps, and when he gets stung, he swells up, and I give him 1 milligram for every pound of weight. That is what my veterinarian recommended.